Alright guys, welcome back to Broke Millionaire. So today what we're going to be doing is going over the different wallets and exchanges that are out there in order to purchase cryptocurrency. If you're looking to buy cryptocurrency outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might be trying to find out where you can do this, where you can purchase or invest in those cryptocurrencies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my own phone and I'm going to show you what I'm using on a regular basis, day to day. And for that, you guys can actually take a deeper dive, right? I'm going to create reviews on each one of these wallets. But for now, if you wanted to get up and running and you're trying to figure out what's the safest way or the most confident way in purchasing these cryptocurrencies, I'm going to show you that right now. And before I do that, we are not financial gurus. We are not financial advisors. We are not experts. Be responsible with your own money. Invest the way that you want to invest. I'm going to pull up my phone here. And as you can see, there's quite a few of them. Now, the reason why I have so many different exchanges / wallets is if there's a particular cryptocurrency that I want, usually there's not one exchange that has all of these. So for that reason, I have several. So I can diversify my portfolio and I can pick which one I want and purchase it with confidence like I was mentioning before. But let's just go over 4 or 5 right now that I feel the most confident with sharing with you guys, and it's very easy to get set up. So speaking of that, the first one I have on this list, and I probably sound like a broken record, is Gemini. Now Gemini, it's super sleek, it's super simple. You click the button, you get verified through that entire process. They're connected to Plaid. You know, it's a company that's connected to Visa, right? So you have a lot of confidence behind that company. And it's very easy to use. So that's this one. You can see how many currencies they have currently. And now let's go to Binance, right? So I click Binance. Now in Binance, this is more of a trading platform, so you can take a look at this. So again, these are the different currencies that are on here. Now I'm gonna go to crypto.com. Again, more of a trading platform. What I like about this one too though is the ability, and most of these platforms have this, where you can invest, you can take your crypto, you can put it into an interest earning account, and you can earn interest on that crypto. Coinbase. So Coinbase, one of the leaders in the space, you know, one of the big boys, they've been around for a while. They just recently had their IPO. So again, a lot of confidence behind that platform. Remember, all these are app-based, as well as some of them, the platforms you can log on to, you know, right from a browser. Then we have Kraken. That's another one, more of a trading platform. What I like about Kraken is that usually there are some coins. So to the right of Kraken, you can see I have CoinList. Now on CoinList, you have the ability to purchase ICOs. Now, a lot of this is kind of, the US is usually excluded from a lot of those ICOs because of regulation, but you can see the different currencies that are either becoming ICOs or they're going to be listed. And then after that sale, they usually head on over to Kraken on that exchange. That's why I like Kraken. Then we have Argent. So Argent, what I like about Argent is the fact that it's connected to Uniswap. So this is where if you really wanted to buy, let's just say something like Audius, right? So, or audio. The ticker symbol for crypto will be audio. And if you click in here and you want to purchase it, you can see it's available and you can purchase right here. Now, the one thing I want to mention with Argent though is that the fees are a little bit higher. So you want to watch out for how much exchanging is going on, because that'll depend on the fee, right? And that's to say with all of these guys. Usually if the platform offers it, crypto.com, for example, if you want to just purchase it with fiat currency, I think they let you purchase that with either a 3% on your card or whatever it is. It's kind of a small fee. Check those fees out, right? Make sure that you're aware of that. Then I have Trust Wallet, MetalPay, KuCoin, BlockFi, Uphold. Those are really the exchanges / earning interest, or if you wanted to get a loan, like for instance, BlockFi, I can get a loan based on my crypto, right? So I can get fiat currency as a loan because of the cryptocurrency that I have. I can put that up as collateral. CoinGecko, CoinCap, Blockfolio, and the Authy is all for really just understanding resources, right? CoinGecko, I can look at the market cap, right? I can check out the different coins, what's going on. The same thing with CoinCap, CoinMarketCap. Blockfolio just allows me to look into my portfolio and create as many as I want. And then the last one, Authy, is just allowing me to have that second security level, right? So there's some of these exchanges that offer second factor authentication, right, for security. And right in here, this is backed by Google. I can just click here and get that code pasted in here, and then I'm ready to go. So That's it for now, guys. Like I said, we're going to take a deeper dive into each one of these, but for now, I just want to show you what I'm using on a regular basis and that I feel confident with. All right, have a great day, and as always, like, subscribe, and leave those comments.